Video, I'm going to show you how to add a sign-up form to your GoDaddy website, step by step. This quick guide will take just a few minutes and help you start collecting leads, newsletter subscribers, or customer contacts right from your site. Let's get started. First, log into your GoDaddy account and head to the home page. From there, go to the My Products section, where you'll see a list of your active services like domains, websites, and marketing tools. Next, find your website and click the Manage button next to it. This will open the dashboard where you can control your site's settings and features. Now, on the left-hand menu, scroll until you see the Customers tab and click on it. Inside this section, you'll find the option for Sign-up Forms. Click it to begin setting up your form. Now click on Add a Sign-up Form. This is where you can create your form from scratch. You'll be able to choose what kind of information you want to collect, like name, email, or even custom fields. Start by giving your form a clear title. Then, add the necessary fields. At minimum, you'll want an email address. But it's also a great idea to include a first name field so you can personalize your future emails. Once you've added your fields, you can adjust the design to match your branding. Choose fonts, colors, and layout that fit your site's style. Before finishing, make sure to click Save Changes. This step is essential to ensure your form is live and ready to use. Once saved, you can place the form on your site's homepage, contact page, or even as a pop-up, depending on your theme and settings. And that's it. Your sign-up form is now live on your GoDaddy website. It's a small but powerful step toward building a better connection with your audience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more simple website tips. Happy creating!